Hello everyone and welcome to Freshwater Bay Golf Club. Now there's been an amendment to the existing rule regarding taking relief from the Tennyson Trail that runs throughout our course. I'm joined today by Kev and behind the camera Matt, and we're going to take you out there and give you some examples on how to take relief correctly. Now Kev, why are we making these changes?
So the reason for the change is because before there are places along the Tennyson Trail where it's very hard to tell where the trail starts and stops. So what we have done is we have defined the Tennyson Trail as being 2 club lengths wide from its middle. In that way, everyone knows exactly where to take relief from.
Perfect. We're going to be showing examples for both left and right-handed golfers, and obviously if after this video you've still got any concerns, come and speak to Kev.
Thank you. Okay, so the only change to the rule is the definition of the Tennyson Trail. It used to say in our local rules, treat the Tennyson Trail as an immovable obstruction. The only thing we have done is now to define the Tennyson Trail as 2 club lengths wide from the middle. And that's it. If you were dropping correctly before, as long as you now understand that it's 2 club lengths from the middle where you find your nearest point of relief, you will continue to drop correctly in the future.
Thank you.
So all we have to determine is where the boundaries of the immovable obstruction are, which is the Tennyson Trail. So taking 2 club lengths from the middle, there's my boundary that side, 2 club lengths this way, I end up there. So wherever your ball is within this area, all you have to do is work out where your nearest point of relief is, remembering to take full relief. So I'm playing down to the 3rd here, so I've got to determine, once I stand outside of this and put my marker down, or I go this way and put my marker down, which one's nearest. So in this particular case, it's quite close. I might have to get out and measure. I'm going to decide it's outside for the purposes of this. Okay, so I'm playing right-handed and I must stand outside of the immovable obstruction. I'm going to play down to the 3rd. That's my nearest point of relief. I then get a quarter circle to drop in. Basically from there to there, as long as when I drop the ball stays within that ball is now in play. I'm ready to go. If I was a left-hander going that way, the only difference would be I don't have to allow for my stance. Because I'm going that way, my nearest point of relief is there, and I've got this quarter circle again to drop in. That's gone forward. Have another go. There you go. I'm now ready to play. Okay, so it really is, the only difference is we have made the Tennyson Trail wider than before. Okay, so there will be times where you decide that taking relief is actually a worse option than playing from where you lie. Here's a particular case. I'm playing to the 17th, 2 club lengths from the middle, brings me out to here. So my nearest point of relief, not near the hole, is going to be within this semicircle. As you can see, no chance of a decent lie. So I'm going to decide, although this isn't great, it's actually a much better option than taking the drop.